Hey, what's going on? Daniel here again. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start generating some income online if you have any form of knowledge or any form of skill that you can teach to other people. Now, if you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know I'm all about creating different streams of passive income, and this is one of the best ways you can do it for the long term. It's not enough to make some money here and there, but the best way to make long-term sustainable money is by doing something that can add value to other people. And that is where this method I'm about to teach, that is where it comes in. Now, if you've been on YouTube for any amount of time, you've seen creators like myself or anyone you follow come up with a kind of training program or a course, and this is one of the ways through which they are able to support themselves and also add value to the audience. Now, if you are a creator yourself, or maybe you just don't have that experience that much, but you know for sure that you have some type of knowledge or some type of skill that you can teach other people that has the tendency of benefiting others, this is one of the ways through which you can make money from it, by compiling that knowledge or information into a form of training. It could be an ebook, it could be an online course, and by selling that to other people. Now, one of the things that used to bother me or used to worry me when I was just getting started is knowing exactly how to put these things together. I always thought it was something that was very stressful or something that was only meant for a certain group of people. Maybe people like myself cannot do it, but I'm here to let you know, I'm here to tell you that just about anyone, doesn't matter what your background is, your technical background or what sort of experience you have, you can do this. And I'm going to break it down for you how you can do that. Now, take for example, I have been a freelancer helping other people, rendering my service to other people. And one of the things that I do is I go on platforms like Upwork and I find clients using a platform like Upwork. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's nothing. Maybe nobody else wants to do that, but you will be surprised by the sheer amount of people who are also looking to build a freelance business or maybe just make some extra money on the side, but are struggling to find clients. Now, I have a specific method that I use on Upwork. I have a strategy that I use that is almost guaranteed to get me responses from potential clients. That way I can schedule an interview or a call with them. Now, this strategy is like something I go to every single time and it's guaranteed to work, right? And I just use this strategy to get my clients. That way I don't have to cold call, I don't have to cold email, I don't have to beg friends and family for business. And this is all gonna make sense in a bit. Now, if I have this amount of knowledge or if I have this experience, imagine how much more people in the same situation as I was, who are also looking for a way to start generating clients on autopilot. Getting clients is the worst thing you can do. It's the hardest thing you can do as a freelancer. What if I can teach that to you in order to help you start getting clients without having to do a lot of work? Imagine how many people will be willing to pay for that. And that's exactly what I did, because I knew that I had a unique opportunity. So what I did was I went into different Facebook groups and I put out a question. What is the most difficult problem that you have, or the most challenging task that you have as a freelancer or as a digital nomad if you're traveling like myself? And in less than 24 hours I got over 100 responses of people telling me exactly what they're having problems with, and I knew that I have that knowledge to take them from where they are to where they want to be. So that's exactly what I did. So I put all of this knowledge that I learned from doing one thing, I put all of that into a PDF, right? That PDF, I can go ahead and sell it to other people and they will be ready to pay for it. Now, I went even one step further and took all of that information that I put into that PDF and I made a 10-part video series accompanying that with that PDF ebook to give it even more value. And I put that into a training program. You might be wondering, well, what can you pay for this? Well, people will only give as much value to your product as you give to it. So now that I have this ebook and I have this training program, I can create a small website, a drag and drop website, and start driving traffic to that landing page so people can see it and they can eventually purchase. Now, one of the biggest problems that people face, even after having a very strong idea, is how do you now drive traffic to this product pages? Well, one of the ways you can do it is by creating content online, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So YouTube is one of the platforms that I love so much. I love making videos on YouTube, And if I make enough videos, enough valuable videos to people like you, if you watch those type of videos, you can go ahead and if you see value in my videos and go ahead and purchase my program that I have linked somewhere in the description. That's a shameless plug, by the way. If you are in that kind of situation right now, maybe you just want to generate more clients, I have my Upwork 101 training. It's linked down in the description. It's going to teach you everything that I know, to build a successful freelance business using a platform like Upwork. So if you have any type of skill, any skill that you can render to other people, or maybe you have a freelance business right now but you're struggling to get clients, go check that link in the description and it's going to take you to the landing page. Check it out. If it's for you, go ahead and purchase it. And it also comes with a lot of perks as well. You also get twice monthly live calls with me, a private Facebook group, and other things that you can find on the page. So if you want access to it, go check it out right now. So speaking of driving traffic, the best way that you can drive traffic to your online course is by creating content online. That is the easiest way, the most evergreen way. It's never gonna stop. YouTube videos are always going to be here for a very long time. So if you're looking for a way to drive traffic, I would say start creating content. But I have even a better way for you. What if you don't have any type of following online? You have no interest in creating content online and you're just looking for a fast way to drive traffic to your offer. And that is where a platform like Facebook comes into play. So I've been running Facebook ads for a while, and this is not something that this is something that everyone can do. It doesn't matter if you've been doing it for a while or if you haven't. So I've been running Facebook ads for a while. I'm very versed, in the marketing space. I know how to market products. And one of the ways to which you can drive traffic to your product or to your service or to your offer is by paying for ads. On Facebook, for example, you can, put in an ad for say $5 a day, and which is exactly what I do. So for this offer that I have linked in the description down below, I am running Facebook ads to it, right? And I am not just running Facebook ads to the sales page, of course. People who have never met me before, they're probably not gonna buy anything from me. So I am running Facebook ads and I'm generating leads for 75 cents, meaning for everyone that has gone to that page or read my sales letter or downloaded my free ebook in order to upsell them on the program that I'm trying to sell, I'm paying Facebook 75 cents. Now for, to host your platform, I use Systeme.io. Now Systeme is a landing page builder that allows you to build landing pages, custom landing pages, beautiful landing pages in order to host your courses or your programs. So this is the software that I use. As you can see right here, I have over 2,800 contacts inside of my system that I can promote to, but that is not enough. 2,800, I can only do so much promotion to these people, right? And that is why I do Facebook ads. So this Facebook that you're seeing here has only been running for a few hours, and as you can see right now, I've generated 3 leads at 75 cents per lead. Now this is not in any way a perfect campaign. I'm still tweaking it, but the fact that I can get that many results within a short period of time tells me that I'm on the right track. So if you have any type of knowledge, any type of skill that you can offer to other people, consider making something out of it, making a training program and start offering it to other people. And a lot of people think that you need to have a lot of knowledge, you need to have, you need to be a guru or anything. But I am not a guru. I'm not the best when it comes to teaching about Upwork, but I know something for a fact. The knowledge that I have up here is enough to take someone from point A to point B. I have more knowledge than most people when it comes to Upwork. And if I can teach that knowledge to them, if I can help them go from where they are right now to where they want to be, they will be appreciative of it and they might be even willing to pay for my program. So if you have any form of knowledge right now and you think that you might be able to teach other people, I would say, why not? Your ebook only needs to be as long as it needs to, no more, no less. So if you want more information on how you can start building training programs, now you can start creating programs like this, very short training programs, leave a comment down below in the comment box and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Again, if you found any value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get over 1,000 subscribers by say the end of May. I'm pretty sure we can make that happen. My name is Daniel and I will see you in the next video.